Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Niche website creation and monetization. Niche website creation and monetization involve building websites focused on specific topics or industries and generating revenue through various monetization strategies. Here's an overview of the process. Niche website creation. Choose a niche. Select a specific topic or industry that you are passionate about or have expertise in. Research the market demand, competition, and audience potential to ensure the niche is viable. Define your target audience. Identify your target audience within the chosen niche. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points to create content that resonates with them. Content creation. Develop high-quality, informative, and engaging content that caters to your target audience's interests and provides value. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Website design and development. Create an appealing and user-friendly website using a content management system (CMS) like WordPress. Customize the design, layout, and navigation to reflect your brand and enhance the user experience. Build an audience. Promote your niche website through various channels, including social media, online communities, guest blogging, and search engine marketing. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage social sharing to grow your website's reach. Monetization strategies. Display advertising. Implement advertising networks like Google AdSense or Media.net to display relevant ads on your website. You earn revenue based on impressions, CPM, or clicks, CPC, generated by these ads. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche and promote products or services through affiliate links on your website. Earn commissions when visitors make purchases through your affiliate links. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands in your niche and publish sponsored articles, reviews, or product placements on your website. Negotiate compensation for featuring sponsored content. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or membership subscriptions related to your niche. Offer valuable content and expertise to monetize your knowledge. Sponsored posts and reviews. Receive compensation for publishing sponsored posts or writing product reviews on your website. Ensure transparency by clearly labeling sponsored content. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche. Send targeted newsletters, promotions, or exclusive content to monetize your subscriber base through affiliate marketing or selling digital products. Consulting or services. If you have expertise in your niche, offer consulting services, coaching, or freelance work to monetize your skills and knowledge. E-commerce. Set up an online store on your niche website to sell physical products related to your niche. Manage inventory, process orders, and provide excellent customer service. Remember, building a successful niche website takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on providing value to your audience, building a loyal community, and diversifying your monetization strategies to maximize your website's revenue potential. Regularly analyze and optimize your website's performance and adapt to changing market trends for long-term success. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.